What's up? And in today's video we're gonna be showing you the best way to edit videos and photos without no trouble for free. So first you're gonna go ahead and search up PowerDirector 365, one of the best places for editing videos. You can then open it, and then it's gonna give you the opening screen. It's gonna give you two options to free download. So you're going to click the free download if you want the free one. Do not click buy because you have to buy. So I already have it, so I'm going to open it up real quick. So once you download it, you can open PowerDirector and you can go ahead and click new project. If you don't have it, you can click a new project, or depending on what you want, you can check all these different things to do. So we're gonna click a new project. And once you open it, it's gonna give you this. So now we're gonna import an image and show you how you can edit images and different things. So you can go ahead and go right there, click right here, and then you can import a file. So you can go ahead and import a file. So I'm gonna go ahead and import a file, an image. Or a video. I'm gonna just import a video. Okay, so I'm gonna import this video and import this video and put it right here. Oh, it doesn't need. So you can click what video you want and then press open. And then it's gonna show up right here. Then you can click it, drag it down here, and put it where you want it. So there's different ways you can stretch it out to fit your liking, depending on what type of video it is. And then these things are the audios, these speaker things. They are importing the audios you wanna see. So, and if you want to add an audio, you can click this, and then you can click the like delete or remove, which is supposed to be right here somewhere. And to add different like background music, you can scroll through the free background music and sound effects. To add like custom text, so you can scroll through your free text sizes and different things. And FX, if you're editing a video or an image and you want an FX, you can add like the free ones they have. They have free FX, like probably this. But it seems I can't add it here. Let me just see if yes. So you can download and then add it. For video skipping sizes, like for video transitions, you can go over here with this lightning flash thing and click there, see their free transitionings. For audios, if you want to add an audio like after you finish making a video, you can go over here. For subtitles, you can go right here and add import like the subtitles to your videos and stuff. So now when you're done with all your video editing, you can come over here and click export. And if you sign in then, but it does come with a watermark, but if you don't want a watermark, you can get premium, which gives you no watermark and other free effects. So once you sign in, I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. So once you finish signing in, you can go back to right here, and then it's gonna give you this. So this is where you can edit everything. Like put all your tags, watermarks, select which type it is. For me, I'm gonna click online, describe the product, tags, different tags that you want, like the category, the type of video it is, and then you can choose Vimeo. I'm not really sure if people use Vimeo, but you can YouTube mostly, or like edit it locally to yourself. You can just use here and use it as an image or this or that. So it's online. I'm gonna edit it. Once you're done, you click right here, start, and then it should. Once you add like everything, it should start at to send your video or image to YouTube. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.